Hello guys, if this is the first time you are coming across my video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, like and drop a meaningful comment. Today we are going to be talking about how to make your own flyers yourself. You know, when you want to post your video on YouTube, they will ask you if you want to add a thumbnail or a flyer to your video. Some people don't really know how to do a flyer, how to do their own flyer by themselves. Not until you have a laptop or you have someone, an editor, or you go to a cyber cafe to edit your own flyer. You can actually do it with your smartphone by yourself. The first thing you need to do is making your flyer requires two things. Number one is the quality of the camera of your phone, and number two is your background. And that's all you need. What I'll suggest to people now is, maybe you want to add a sticker to your background and you want the background to look real. You want a sticker, maybe you want to point at the sticker and the sticker will say subscribe to my YouTube channel, or the sticker will put on a diagram that will be showing how enticing your channel is. Don't worry, I got you covered. The number one thing you need to do is to go to Google Chrome. Search for the kind of sticker you want. Maybe you want YouTube subscribe, you can put a sticker, YouTube stickers. It will bring it all out. Maybe you want a bigger sticker, a sticker with a like button, a subscribe button, different button. You want the bigger sticker. You just type it on your Google Chrome and it will bring it all out for you. Now that you have the sticker, you download it. Put it on your file, download it, and the next thing you need to do is to take a picture of yourself. You set your camera to be able to catch you. Maybe you can set it to 2 minutes. It will be able to take 2 or 3 shots. You post your picture. Maybe you want to point at the sticker. You point at the sticker, then it will screenshot. It will take a picture of you. Okay? Now, for the sticker to look well while posting your video, you know, that is the first thing for your advertisement that will show. What you need to do is make sure your phone is in a landscape. Is in a landscape, not up, not straight forward, not straight up, not straight up. Is in the landscape, so that you'll be able to capture everything. You know, when you put it in landscape, it will be able to capture everything. You know, since we don't have a laptop for our video, for editing, for posting our video, we are going to use our phone. That is what we have to use. Make sure your camera is in landscape, then you take your shots. After taking your shots, what you need to do is to transfer your video to CapCut, or you transfer it to InShot. But for this tutorial, I'm going to suggest CapCut, because CapCut you can add overlay, anything of your choice. In CapCut you see how to cut out your background, the former background you have, you cut it out, then you take it back, you go to background, it will bring it out, then you go to your image, it will take you to your file, you go to image, you pick and select the background you want, you export it back to CapCut. Now CapCut will change the background for you, and if you don't know how to change background, you can go to InShot. It's more easier on InShot. Change the background. After changing it, you export your video back to CapCut, and in CapCut you can add your overlays. The sticker you downloaded from Google Chrome, the sticker will be available for you to overlay it on your picture, and everything is set. All you need to do is to get a sticker, or you just write what you want. You go to your text, you write, you edit it yourself, you pointing at the sticker, smiling, and you write what you need to write on the text. You write them down and you are ready to go. You export your video, you can put subscribe, the sticker, subscribe, like, or you put follow, then you put how to edit. You write it, you edit your text, and your sticker is ready. So if this video is helpful, please click the like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel. See you in my next video. Bye bye.